Lillian here, and yes, I thought I'd jump on and let everyone know, or the coaches I should say, the fitness, health and wellness professionals, I'm going to do a live in my quality client generation Facebook community. So the link is in this thread, part of this video. So yeah, every week I'm releasing videos, quick trainings basically, that you can implement into your coaching business in order to generate high quality leads and clients into your business. So if you've been doing things in a very traditional old school way, which is awesome, you know, I'm not discounting them as strategies, but you have been flyering in the past, or you've been joint venturing with local businesses, relying on word of mouth, which is again all brilliant, but it's very slow burning, and I've certainly done that before. I've had great success with these marketing strategies, but yes, I've also been very heavily burnt out in my time running multiple businesses. So since 2014 I've been learning basically the nuts and bolts of going online, and due to 2020, I think now everyone is really starting to realise the power of going online, and I've definitely been singing from the rooftops that online is the way forward. And in my situation back in 2014, I realised that my whole life was going to change, because becoming a mum, my little boy Oscar was born in 2015, and I couldn't physically open up my indoor cycling studios I had at the time. So yes, I really understood the power of going online then, because physically I couldn't be at two places at once. So I've got this program, it's a free version in the group, and I help coaches, health professionals to implement a business system. And basically it's the Facebook advertising that powers the system that sits comfortably behind the scenes of your business. So landing pages, we also build out an application form to heavily qualify a potential prospect, so by the time you actually speak to them on the phone, they are ready, they are hot, and they are expecting you to take payment from them. So that's basically how this business system works. And with the video series that I offer in the Facebook group as well, how to build your online marketing business system, it's all free, so you can literally take the information and implement it into your business. And every week I do trainings based off my my training, my 30 video training series. There is actually a paid version that I offer as well. That could be for another onward conversation. It's at the beta phase at the moment. I am looking for beta testers. So should you be in a position to want to learn how to utilise online marketing strategies, then jump in the group or message me. See if what I teach is what you like, and if you have the space in your diaries right now to learn something like this. I do like a done for you type service as well. I can build it all out for you, but I just think the beauty really is for you to learn going online, how to market your business going online, because it's the way forward. I know things are quite hectic right now in whatever situation you might be in, but 2020 has presented itself with difficulties and challenges. But if you were to learn the nuts and bolts of this system, and you get your funnel working right, you can use this as your template to launch other products, to launch other services, whatever it is that you have in mind for your business, whatever your business goals are. So obviously multiple funnels that work well and hard in your business will translate into more streams of income coming into your business. So I'm a big believer to put the time aside and learn how to build a system like this that serves you well, does pretty much like 90% of all your marketing for you, so you get that nice joyful conversation at the end where you are just enrolling a client into your program or your service, whatever it is that you offer. So if you are interested, today is creating the offer, making the offer. So if you already have a business, or a program or a course that is sitting between the price point of £100 to £500, I can definitely help you. It's a funnel that I help you with in order to hit numbers. So I don't know where you are with your business and how much income you might need, but again, this is what we talk about in the training. So follow the link. And the training will start at 2 o'clock today. You will get the video series for free that shows you how to do everything step by step. And if you were to implement all the trainings, you will have your business built out, or your system, sorry, built out, I would say in about a month. But again, it just depends on your diary, how much time you can put aside in order to create something like this. But obviously once built, it's done. It's done. Once it's done, it's finished with. You don't have to think about it, just need to make a few tweaks here and there, which again is the beauty of working with a system that works well for your business when it comes to generating those high quality leads and clients. So yeah, again, hit the link below and I will see you in the group. Bye.